Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you this triple screen laptop monitor extender by Siaviala. The brand sent it to me to try and review, so I'm going to give you my opinion, show how I received it, how it works, and the different ways I'm using it for the past few weeks now. So this is the Siaviala S8 Pro, 14 inches, 60 Hz, 1920 by 1080 FHD. This is how I received it. It was inside another box and very well protected. Alright, let's unbox this. Here we have the portable monitor wrapped in a nice case, and it's really lightweight. Then we have the user guides. And we have a lot of cables here. 2 HDMI cables, 2 USB-C cables, and 1 USB-A, 2 USB-C cable. And here is the monitor. This is how it looks when you open it. It has a nice black-gray color, and here in the middle, this is where we place our laptop, which we are going to do in a minute. We can see that it has a matte anti-glare surface, and when we fold it, it really looks like a small laptop. There is a kickstand in the back. Let's pull it out and rotate it down to place it on the desk. This piece in the middle actually stretches so you can make it fit your laptop screen. And you have these two pieces on each side that will hold the screen so it stays in place. You can use the kickstand in the back to choose the right angle for you. Alright, now let's make it work. So there is a power button on the back and 3 USB-C ports. Depending on the model of your laptop, Mac or Windows, you may need a different setup. If your laptop has 2 fully functional Type-C ports, you only need 2 USB-C cables to connect. If your laptop has 1 fully functional Type-C port, you need 2 cables to connect, 1 USB-C and 1 HDMI. If your laptop doesn't have a fully functional Type-C port, you need 2 HDMI cables to connect. In my case, I have a MacBook Air with 2 USB-C ports, so I need 2 USB-C cables, 1 cable for each display. But one important point to keep in mind: if your MacBook uses an M1 chip like mine, Apple laptops only supports 2 display output channels, which means that the M1 chip laptop can only drive the built-in display and 1 external monitor at the same time. As a result, only 1 display will be active and the other display will not work. But don't worry, there is an easy solution for that. There is this H5T hub that allows M1 chip users to use 3 displays. Know that this is not included in the package because you don't need it if you have the M1 Pro or any other laptop. After connecting the hub, you just install the driver and you are good to go. After that, it's plug and play. The good news is that all the cables you need are included in the box, so you don't have to buy more. It is compatible with Mac, Windows, Android, Linux, Switch or Chrome OS devices. This is not only limited to just your laptop. You can plug your cell phones into it as well, or you can hook up your Switch too. You can even connect 2 separate devices at the same time if you want to. Like here, I have a display extended from my laptop and I connected my Switch to the other one so I can play at the same time. And one more thing, if you connect the monitor to an external power supply, it can also quickly charge your laptop, which is great. When you close it, it just looks like a laptop. The screens are protected, making it easy to carry on the go. And again, this is very lightweight. You can just open it and start using it anywhere, and the integrated stand gives you a good amount of angle. Here are the different ways I used the monitors over the last few weeks. I really like it for multitasking on different screens. It eliminates the need for frequent switching on a single laptop screen, and it really improves efficiency. As an architect, I love to use it for opening the 3D model on one display and the technical drawings on the others. It can be Photoshop, AutoCAD or any other software. Also, sometimes when I have to work on something that doesn't need 100% of my attention, I like to open a video or a movie on one of the displays and continue working on the other. It's also great for chilling or gaming. I like to play on the Switch on one screen and watch a video on the other. As an architect and content creator, I'm very happy with it. Having multiple displays is amazing for my productivity. It's easy to set up, it's lightweight, it looks good, it's high quality. So as we say in French, que demande le peuple? And that's it for this video. Let me know what you think. I will leave a link in the description below if you are interested. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!